All right, in this problem, we are subtracting fractions with uncommon or unlike denominators. Now, in this problem, again, we have 4 and we have 8. You can probably tell by looking at these that the least common denominator should be 8. It's always helpful when you're trying to get a common denominator, always see if the smaller denominator can be equal to the larger denominator, because if it can, that will be the least common multiple. Again, we wanted to prove that we could just use the L method with the little L bracket, divide by 4 and get 1 and 2, and 1 and 2 cannot be simplified any further. Now at that point, to find the LCM, remember we just multiply these numbers together. So 4 times 1 is 4, times 2 is 8. So our LCM, or in this case, our least common denominator, LCD, will be 8. So just rewrite the problem with 8 as the denominator. Bring your subtraction symbol down. Now, again, what did I do to the 4 to make it 8? Well, I multiplied by 2. So do the same thing to the numerator. And 2 times 1 is 2. Now, over here, I didn't really do anything to the 8. So that means I'm just going to bring the 3 down. Okay. Now in this problem, we have something else that is kind of a situation here. All right, we have 2 minus 3. You might look at that and say, oh, it's 1. Well, but it's 2. So you're starting with 2, and you're taking 3 away. Well, you don't really have 3 to take away, so we're going to end up negative here. So if you start with $2, and then you owe someone $3, you can give them the $2, but you're still going to owe them 1. So we're going to be at negative 1 over 8. And that's going to be our final answer. Notice that when you're adding and subtracting fractions, the denominator does not change. Okay, and then 2 minus 3 is negative 1. You have $2. You owe someone $3. You can give them the 2, but you still owe them 1. You're negative 1 still in that situation.